If you are wondering if you can use a non-Samsung USB cable for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is yes. In case you need to connect your phone to anything and you cannot use the original cable, so for example, you cannot use USB-C to USB-C cable, and instead, let's say you have to use USB-A to USB-C, or maybe the original cable is broken now at this point, then yes, you can buy a new one, and no, it does not have to be a Samsung USB cable. For example, I use this cable over here, so this is USB-A to USB-C cable, this is Realme cable, or Oppo, I don't remember exactly, but it's pretty much the same thing. And it works just fine. I can use it to charge my phone, I can use it to connect it to, for example, my computer, to transfer files, and so on and so forth. However, if you are going to buy a USB cable, keep in mind that different cables have different transfer speeds, and in some cases you cannot transfer data with certain USB cables at all. So be careful what USB cable you purchase. Read descriptions and find out if it has everything that you need. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.